every now and again I get something rather special. Every now and again I get something rather special arriving in my PO box, and this is something that I've been waiting for quite a while. So let's get unboxing. This is the newest addition to my collection. This is Reuben. He's a slightly different model to one that I'm used to. It only has, for instance, one water key, so I guess it's a little bit like a French horn. Also like a French horn, I'm yet to find a mute that fits properly into it. The mouthpiece doesn't seem to be removable, and like I guess a good instrument, you don't really want to just leave it. If you were to take this out of its case and then play it for an hour and then leave it for a week, it would be very, very unhappy with that. So he's just farted on me. Thank you, Reuben. So this is the reason that I haven't really been doing a lot of videos recently. I don't know if that was that just a fart or was that something else? We may need to cut this video short and investigate.